Good morning, folks, and welcome to the Scalpers Hideout. When I got up today, I knew I had some other work to do, so I went ahead and I set up my chart with a huge bar size here for some massive trades. That's just so that I could focus on something else and not have to be very involved with scalping. But once we got into this here, I started to look at this and I started to see that this bar size is really showing us the overall larger
Order
trend. And it's
filled.
not normally what we would use to scalp on or what we would think we would use to scalp on. So I wanted to see if, it was scalpable and how it moved. So what you're looking at here is our flagship product, the autofade scalper. This is a manual scalping tool, fully discretionary, and there is also an automated side to this thing. So you can run this in full automation and you can adjust it on the fly. We have other videos that will explain this more in depth if you want to go check out our main channel page and check out some of our other videos if you're interested in a little bit more about how this works. So I'm going to take a couple trades today on a fresh Bullinox eval account, and we're only going to be working with about 5 micros here as we go to work. As you see here, the yellow line you see is our entry line that is movable, and that hands off to an ATM strategy. And you can see our support and resistance along the way here. And also, you can see that every time it creates a wick, that is a pullback, and those are where we enter. And if you've watched any of our other videos, as you know, I am a firm believer in getting your money and getting out and going to walk the dog. For me, I'm looking for about $300 a day. And if you can make $300 a day consistently, that equals $75,000 a year. You don't need to trade all day. And that's the key to consistency, is getting your money and getting out while you're ahead and quitting for the day. Take advantage of the market when it's moving in the early part of the day and it's moving in one direction. And I'm just going to take a couple scalps here, and they might not look like scalps, but they are small in size. And we'll see if we can get to our $300 and be done for the day. In this video, don't pay attention to our stops and targets. That target doesn't mean anything and that stop doesn't mean anything. It is just there as a backstop. I will not let this go more than $100 to $200 in the red, and I will cut it. And we're also not going to be taking that huge target. I will use that target to end my trade when the time is right, and we will take profit. So what's going through my head right now is I'm just kind of feeling this out. I'm watching the P&L. As soon as I see this thing get to $100 and start climbing up a little bit over $100, I'm going to cut this trade. And I want to take about 3 of these to make my $300 for the day.
Target filled.
All right, and there's the first one. Got 120 bucks in the bank. As you can see, we're on the same bar here. We can take these over and over many times from the same place. So we'll come back up here and we'll take another shot at this.
Order filled.
We will take an entry right there. The way that I will handle my exit is to just grab it and hold it in my hand and drop it over price.
Target filled.
All right, so there's another 140 bucks in the bank towards our eval. We need a little bit more here to get done for the day, so let's see what comes up next.
Order filled.
All right, we are in.
Target filled.
Okay, so there you have it. That pushed us up to $350. We're going to go ahead and disarm this thing and call it quits for the day. So we reached our goal there in less than 10 minutes of trading. I did speed up through one little part so that you didn't fall asleep there. But other than that, that was pretty quick. That was live, guys. These were not cherry-picked trades. These were on a eval account, and we are not in sim. We were only using 5 micros on this account today, so that makes it extra sweet. Although, I must remind you that past performance does not guarantee future returns. If you like what you see there, head on over to scalpershideout.com and you can use a 20% discount code that's in the description of this video to get a little discount on this tool. If you need more information, please go over to our main channel here on YouTube. Just click on our name below this video. And also, please like and subscribe. We're going to be putting out all kinds of little tidbits about trading with NinjaTrader. I'm a huge fan of Renko, and these are a type of Renko bar. And so a lot of people have not seen this style of trading before. I'm telling you, it's a great way to trade. It really displays the market in a way that candlesticks cannot do for you. Yep, candlesticks give you a ton of information, but sometimes you don't need that much information. You just need to know the trend. You just need to know where price is moving in this very moment and not where you think it's going to go in the future as you pull out your crystal ball. All right, so scroll on down the description and grab your 20% off code. Head on over to Scalpers Hideout and grab your copy today. After you grab it, send me a message and I'll get you all set up. Have a good one.